Welcome back to your home garage, and in this video we'll reveal day 7 of the Wera Advent calendar. So far we have the wand halter, keys 6 and 7, along with a pouch with micro bits and a handle. Now let's see what's behind number 7 as we move through the numbers 1 to 24, which represent the days in December before Christmas. And for whatever reason, this bit is incredibly tight inside this casing. I will get it out. Honestly, just be patient. So what we have is one of the larger double-ended standard screwdriver bits. Now don't forget to tune into the next video to reveal day 8. So make sure you help to keep this channel going by hitting that like button, sharing this video with a friend. Also, please comment below as I reply to all. Plus, don't forget to subscribe. And we'll see you next time on your home garage.